The Gildan G200 Ultra Cotton T-shirt is the heaviest shirt that Gildan offers, weighing a solid 6.1 ounces. It has the exact same sizing as the G500 and the G800. The safety green color of this shirt is ANSI and ISEA certified as a high-vis background color. So, if you need to outfit your staff with a lightweight tee to go under high-vis vests during the summer months, this should be your go-to. The Gildan G200 has a 7/8 of an inch seamless collar, and like the G500 has double needle stitching throughout, and the seams are taped from shoulder to shoulder. The body has been quarter turned to eliminate the center crease, and it's made in a tubular construction, meaning there is no side seam. Most colors are 100% cotton, but the heather and safety colors will all contain some degree of polyester. This shirt has two companion styles, the Gildan G200B for youth and the Gildan G200L for women.